So last night I took on the task of taking this fan apart. It's an old fan. It was in storage and very dirty, and you can see the dirt in it. So there's some videos online saying that you can pry these clips off. They're right here. They come out and you can pry them off. Well, after a good half hour, I decided they're not coming off. And maybe because it's old, the plastic has gotten a little harder, a little bit more rigid, but they were not coming off. I tried the way 2 different videos showed. Then I tried coming up with my own method, and they just were not coming off. The only thing that was going to happen was something was going to break, either the housing or the clip was going to break, and that was the only way they were coming off. So I looked at it like, if I can't get them off and I can't clean this, I am sure we're not going to use it. You're just not going to use a fan that's that dirty, you know, good or bad. It's not going to happen. So I decided, okay, my only other option is to cut the clip. That way I can control essentially the break. So that's what I did. I ended up cutting them right down the seam with a utility knife, very carefully. You don't want to hurt yourself. And on one of them you have to cut deep because you have this little tab here. So this was from the other side where there's no tab. Yeah, here's the other one. So when we put it back together, I'll be able to put a piece of tape across there just to hold them. They're not that critical because all they're for is this extension part right here. That's it. And if you set it in front of if your window already has a screen on, you're setting it in front of it, then you don't need it. So hopefully after we clean this all up, put it back together, it'll work. We think it does, but didn't really test it because of all the dirt. Okay, so if you're having the same issue with this type of fan, that's the third option. Cut the clips. And they'll go back in. See, the problem is you got this little ridge right there, which catches right on there, like this. So that catches, and then it's got to come down to get out of there, or it has to bend that much. And they're like this. They're coming out straight. So to get that activity to happen without, like, it's easy when I can tilt it down, but you can't tilt it down when it's together. So they're not made to come apart. If they make fans like this yet, I hope they've solved that issue so that people can clean them. But if you have an old one, that's the way they're made. Okay, cleaning time.